guys, Bailey here, and today I am going to be making slime in your time lapse. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to be using black solution, so if you guys use this, be careful not to burn your hands. Hey guys, well that was my video and I hope you enjoyed, and I did not just go grab another slime when the camera was turned off. I just forgot to hit film, so yeah, thought it was filming. But yeah, thanks all for watching and see y'all later, bye!